Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun read aloud with you of the story A Swim. A Swim is in the collection of short stories called Frog and Toad Are Friends, and Frog and Toad Are Friends was written in 1970 by Arnold Lobel, and it tells the story of two friends. If you're ready to hear the story A Swim, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. A swim. Toad and Frog went down to the river. "What a day for a swim," said Frog. "Yes," said Toad. "I will go behind these rocks and put on my bathing suit." "I don't wear a bathing suit," said Frog. "Well, I do," said Toad. "After I put on my bathing suit, you must not look at me until I get into the water." So, Frog just takes his clothes off because he's a frog. Frogs are built to swim. And toads are too, but Toad prefers to wear a bathing suit, but he doesn't want anyone to see it. "Why not?" asked Frog. "Because I look funny in my bathing suit, that's why," said Toad. So Frog closed his eyes when Toad came out from behind the rocks. Toad was wearing his bathing suit. "Don't peek," he said. Frog and Toad jumped into the water. They swam all afternoon. Frog swam fast and made big splashes. Toad swam slowly and made smaller splashes. So Frog is a good friend. He's not peeping because Toad asked him not to. Once they were in the river, everything was fine. They played and had fun. A turtle came along the riverbank. "Frog, tell that turtle to go away," said Toad. "I do not want him to see me in my bathing suit when I come out of the water, out of the river." Frog swam over to the turtle. "Turtle," said Frog, "you will have to go away." "Why should I?" asked the turtle. "Because Toad thinks that he looks funny in his bathing suit, and he does not want you to see him," said Frog. So Toad is hiding in the water because there's a turtle, and Frog goes and asks the turtle to go because he doesn't want to make fun of his friend. And the turtle says, "Why should I?" Some lizards were sitting nearby. "Does Toad really look funny in his bathing suit?" they asked. A snake crawled out of the grass. "If Toad looks funny in his bathing suit," said the snake, "then I, for one, want to see him." "We want to see him too," said the two dragonflies. "Me too," said a field mouse. "I have not seen anything funny in a long time." So just by saying, "I don't want you to see me, it's funny, and I don't want you to laugh," the lizards want to stay, the dragonflies want to stay, the snake wants to stay, the mouse wants to stay, and the turtle all want to stay. Frog swam back to Toad. I'm sorry, Toad," he said. "Everyone wants to see how you will look." "Then I will stay right here until they go away," said Toad. The turtle and the lizards and the snake and the dragonflies and the field mouse all sat on the riverbank. They waited for Toad to come out of the water. "Please," said Frog, "please go away." But no one went away. Toad was getting colder and colder. He was beginning to shiver and sneeze. "I will have to come out of the water," said Toad. "I am catching a cold." So poor Toad is still in the river, and all the creatures are waiting for him, and Frog is waiting for Toad. But he's also trying to get the other animals to just turn away, just go away for a minute. Toad climbed out of the river. The water dripped out of his bathing suit and down onto his feet. The turtle laughed. The lizards laughed. The snake laughed. The field mouse laughed. And Frog laughed. So I don't think that there's anything very silly about Toad's swimsuit, but everyone else does, including his friend Frog. What are you laughing at, Frog? Said Toad. I'm laughing at you, Toad, said Frog, because you do look funny in your bathing suit. Of course I do, said Toad. Then he picked up his clothes and went home. The end. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, I didn't show you the picture. So he didn't like his friend laughing at him, so he picked up all his clothes and left. Even though he did look kind of funny, and he knew he looked funny, but he didn't like his friend laughing, and I don't blame him. I don't like it when my friends tease me or laugh at me. Kind of can hurt your feelings. If you liked the story, A Swim, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button down at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. And if you like Frog and Toad as much as I do, please tune in every Friday for Frog and Toad Friday. Each Friday in the months of June and July, I will be sharing with you a quick Frog and Toad story all about their happiness and their friendship. So please join me. I'll see you all real soon. Bye-bye.